Meaning of gale.
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 Gale. The word gale refers to a strong wind, typically one that is moving at high speeds. This type of wind can be very powerful and potentially dangerous, especially for those who are out in open water or exposed areas. Gale force winds are typically classified as being between 34 to 47 knots on the Beaufort scale. The impact of a gale can be felt across a wide area, with storm surges, sea spray, and large waves all possible outcomes. Overall, a gale is a weather phenomenon that should be taken seriously and precautions should be taken to protect oneself and property.